For me, I'm really excited to be at Fed Supernova, as it's a hybrid event, both in person and virtual, and I'm really excited to be here in person with key stakeholders from academia, government, corporate, startups, and across the spectrum, here in person, how we can build this ecosystem and move forward together.
What I'm looking at getting out of this opportunity is building a relationship with the right people and the right agencies so that I can not only help them, but they can also help me.
I am really intrigued about the density of entrepreneurs coming together with organizations that support the federal enterprise. All of our partners that we care about are here at this event, so it's a wonderful opportunity to get together with everybody.
Fed is the #1 word. They spend more money on cyber and IT than anyone else, so obviously if you want to be connected with that ecosystem, you come here because this is the Fed Central for Texas and particularly Austin.
The government, both on the federal side and defense side, are really engaged with startups, and they really want to help bring new technologies into their environments and for their missions. And so this is the place for startups like ours at Second Front Systems to engage with a lot of stakeholders.
I operate a business, but really I'm an investor, so I'm looking to see what's the next emerging tech, what cool companies are coming out of Capital Factory.
I know Capital Factory and this event in particular are hubs for innovation, networking, and getting in front of the right people to help make stuff happen.
My biggest takeaway from Fed Supernova is that it's incredibly important to have these various groups of stakeholders together.
It's been an amazing opportunity to network and see the different industries, both from private and public sectors.
Just this morning, within the first hour of being here, I've already developed some new relationships which I think will lead into some business productivity here down the road.
I'm expecting to get a lot of great connections, a lot of great information, and a lot of other amazing things happening here at Fed Supernova.